Miss Amy, how's it going? This is video journal number 7, a very late video journal number 7, but it was certainly missing, so I figured I'd try and submit it for some credit anyway. And so, anyway, here I am at copyright.gov, and says, what is the cost for online registration for a single application? Locate and show the guidelines. And for a single application, it's $35 if I remember right from the tutorial, and you can pay with a card. I think there was also an account or something you can set up, but I definitely noticed there was a card on there. And the eligibility requirements for a single application are that it was a work created by a single person. If there were multiple parties, then there's a paper form that's mentioned in the lynda.com tutorial that Dana Robinson does. And it says, locate and show me the electronic copyright office. That would be this right here. Eco. Sweet. Doesn't work. Alright, well. How about that? Damn it. Alright, well, I got a difficulty right now, so I'm just going to reopen the window. It's really weird, especially that it does it right now. There we go. So anyway, and the question was, well, it's you said take me to Eco, and the next thing that you wanted me to look at, let me pull it up real quick. So go to Eco and show me the location for the electronic copy. And what is poor man's copyright? Poor man's copyright is basically where somebody thinks that they can take their work and they can mail it to them, and because it will mail it to themselves, and because it will come to them with a federally time-stamped, in a federally time-stamped package, that it'll evidence that they created it at that time. And it's not an advisable way to register a material because it's not legitimate in court. I guess that might have been applicable at one point in time, but these days, as Dana Robinson articulates in the video, he says that they've been moving more towards you need to register it with the copyright.gov, Eco, whatever. And the licensing division is organized into 3 sets. There's the examining section, which basically examines all the documents submitted and to determine that they meet the requirements under the statutes. And there's the fiscal sections. And just a minute, I'm trying to read it right now. The fiscal section performs all accounting, budgeting, and investing functions of the division. This section is also responsible for ascertaining the funds available for distribution by copyright royalty judges. The 3rd section is the information section, which provides information about the compulsory and statutory licenses, maintains all the division's official licensing records. It performs reference searches of licensing documents for the public and members of Congress. That's it for video journal number 3. Thank you for your patience.